Go ahead and take some of these cucumbers off. Cucumbers really don't like if you leave them on the vine too long, because you're basically telling the cucumber to go into seed and to stop producing fruit. Here's how my little garden patch is going over here. In the back we got some cucumbers. You can see those yellow flowers. Those are cucumber flowers. Here you go, there's a better view. They're squash flowers, but they're small, so that would be cucumber. And we got this tomato. It's a green tomato. And all these other tiny yellow flowers, those will turn into tomatoes. So that's what I got going on right now. The rest I gotta fix up. It's looking pretty messy, but right here is what I'm able to show off so far. And now I'm growing some cucumbers. As you can see, these are little tiny baby cucumbers in the making. All those yellow flowers will also turn into more cucumbers. This one's barely starting, you can tell by the very bottom of the plant. And I got 3 cucumber plants so far. This one isn't flowering quite yet, but now it's more stable. You really don't want them to lay on the ground because they will attract bugs. So it is better to put them up. Not only is it easier to harvest, but it also helps with pest management. So that's how the cucumbers are looking. Now I gotta fix a whole lot more. Here, look at these cubes. Now these ones aren't gonna get too big. They're mini cucumbers for pickling, but they are looking good. And all those yellow flowers, same thing, will turn into fruit. They flower first and then they fruit after. So, and this one's still growing. I have to make my trellis a little longer, and she's growing this way now. But also, go ahead and take some of these cucumbers off. Cucumbers really don't like if you leave them on the vine too long, because you're basically telling the cucumber to go into seed and to stop producing fruit. So with these, you really don't want to let the fruit stay on too long. So I'm going to go ahead and pluck this one off since it is the biggest one so far. And I might get a few more, but here's the first one. I gotta give it a good washing. Take out some of those little spiky things. Those usually wash right off. And I'm gonna pickle it. Here's a cucumber. And as I mentioned, these little pokey things are super easy to take out. And you can even just wash them out. A little as you can see. Just scrape them off with a nail. I did recently wash my hands. And now I'm skin washed. Okay, well, I don't want to damage it too much, but look at that.